Hey techies, welcome to IT Tech Solutions. Today in this video, we're gonna learn how to install Python and most importantly how to set the environment variables. Environment variables are very important because it tells the system the exact path from where it has to pick the DLLs. Otherwise, if we don't set up the environment variables, we can't execute the Python commands from our home directory. For that, we'll have to maybe go into the path where the Python package is installed, and from there we can execute the command. But as such, from our home directory or from any other directory, we won't be able to call the Python because the system doesn't know where to pick that Python DLLs from. So it is very important to set up that environment library. So we'll just see how to do that. Before that, I would just want all of you to maybe or you already have might have installed the Python. For those who haven't installed it, we can go to python.org, and from there we can go to the official website. Under downloads, we'll see the latest package available. So we just need to download the package, install it by following the instructions. So while installing it, it takes the path where it is installing. We can just note that path so that we can use it to set up the environment variables. Or else we can also give our own custom path. Whatever path we are choosing, we have to set up the environment variables accordingly. So in on my system, I have already installed Python. As you can see, the components of Python is already present here, the CLI and other things, but still we won't be able to execute any Python commands, or my system won't be able to identify the Python interpreter. So if you see, if I just do a Python version also, I'll not be able to find the DLL and it won't be executing. So we'll just set up the environment variables in this case. So we'll just go to system environment variable settings. So I'll just type in environment variables, and the first option that it shows is good enough. And from there, we'll just choose environment variables button, this one. Once we click on this, setup window will open. Here, under the system variables, you will see a path. It already has some paths already defined here. That is the system paths for Windows. We just need to edit it and add our own paths there. So now into this, we'll just click on this new and then paste our path where the Python was installed. So by default, I'll show you how where it goes. So it goes under C drive under users. If we haven't given any custom path, it will go into this folder, and then our user folder. From there, you can choose app data under local, then under programs, and then Python. So this is the folder where the package is installed. You can see all the DLLs are here. So this is the path that we need to copy, and we'll paste it in the path here. So this we have done. Another path we have to install or we have to set up is for scripts. So under this Python package, we already get script for pip and pip3. So pip is nothing but it is again a package which Python needs to install any external dependencies. For example, in our program, most of the libraries, the inbuilt like JSON and other things, it comes within the Python package. But there are few external libraries which is not included in the package. We need to download and install it. So for that, it is a command that we call it as a pip. So it's just a pip install and then package name. So for that, we need this pip. And to run this, Python again or the system needs to understand where the pip package is installed in our system. So that is why we also have to copy this path uh, till scripts, and then we'll put it in new item, and then we'll paste it, and again along with ending with a slash. So this we have to just uh, add here, and then we'll do OK, OK, and OK. So now this is done. Let's just check it. I'll just close, restart my PowerShell again. So here we are restarting the PowerShell again, and there I'll just again issue the command Python version. So as you can see now, I can get the version of it. So my system is now able to get the Python interpreter. Even I can launch the Python CLI from here. Now you can see I am into Python CLI. I can print any statement also just to verify that it's done or not. So Python is installed and done. Yeah, it is able to print that command as well. So we can run any Python command into this CLI, and environment setup is successfully done.